Well, guys, in the last few lectures, we have seen what is simple harmonic motions, the basic fundamental things we have studied in our 4 to 5, I think 6 lectures I have uploaded. Now, we are going to do the exercises which are given in the SC Verma book. So, all these questions I have taken from the SC Verma book, and those are unsolved exercises. So question number 1, let us see what is this. Question number 1 says a particle executes simple harmonic motion with an amplitude of 10 centimeter. So amplitude is given, that is 10 centimeter. Then time period that is 6 seconds. Now it says at t is equal to 0, it is at position x is equal to 5 centimeter and going towards positive x direction. Correct? Write the equation for the displacement x at time t. Find the magnitude of acceleration of the particle at t is equal to 4 seconds. So we have to write the expression and we have to find the magnitude of acceleration at t is equal to 4 seconds. So this is our first question in SC Verma book. So let us see how we are going to solve this. Our general expression, you know, x is equal to a sine omega t plus 5. In this general expressions, we have seen a is what? A is amplitude. Omega is what? That is angular frequency. T is time. And phi is basically phase constant. So let us see the given things. At t is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, and time period is t. So time period is 6 seconds. So our omega is nothing but 2 pi by t, and that is 2 pi by 6 seconds. Correct? And this we can write it as pi by 3. A is given as 10 centimeter. So our expression will be basically x is equal to 10 sine omega is pi by 3 t plus 5. Now at t is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So this will be 5, 10 sine pi by 3 into 0 plus 5. With this, if you see, this will be sine 5 will be nothing but 1 by 2. And this gives you phi is equal to pi by 6. Correct? Because sine pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So now our general expression, as we have seen, that will be x is equal to 10 sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6. This is the expression for the displacement of the to and fro simple harmonic motion. Now another thing it has asked, acceleration at t is equal to 4 seconds. So what is basically acceleration? Acceleration is basically a is minus omega square x, but you need to find at t is equal to 4 seconds this x. With this expression you can find out. This will be, you can find out x is equal to, at t is equal to 4. This will be nothing but 10 sine pi by 3 into 4 plus pi by 6. This can be written as sine 8 plus 9 by 6, or you can say 3 pi by 2, or this is nothing but sine pi plus pi by 2, or we can write it as x will be equal to 10 sine pi plus pi by 2 minus 10 cos pi by 2 sorry, this is sine pi by 2, and of course this will be minus 10 centimeter. So this x we can, omega is here, omega is your 2 pi by 6 or pi by 3. So pi by 3 whole square minus 10. Correct? This you can calculate, and this will be centimeter per second square. Correct? So this is how you can solve question number 1. Now we will go to question number 2. Question number 2 says that the position, velocity and acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion are found to have magnitude 2 centimeter, 1 meter per second and 10 meter per second square at a certain distance. Find the amplitude and time period of the motion. So what is given here is, we have position, that is x is equal to 2 centimeter. Then we have velocity, that is 1 meter per second, and acceleration is also given, that is 10 meter per second. We have to find out amplitude and time period. Correct? So in this question, certain parameters are given, certain parameters we have to find out, and we know that acceleration is given. We know that a is nothing but omega square x, of course this is magnitude, so x is what, a upon or x is given. So omega is nothing but, that is angular frequency. It is nothing but a upon x root 2, or a is given as 10 and x is given as 2 centimeter. We can write it 0. So omega will be your correct. So this is your angular frequency. Now from this we can find out time period. That is this you can simplify. This will be time period in, of course, seconds. Now what we have to find out? Amplitude. We know time period. So velocity we know a. Oh, sorry. This is omega a square minus x square. This formula we have seen in our previous lectures. So omega we know 10 root 2 5 into amplitude we have to find out minus x square. X is given, that is 0.0. Correct. Of course velocity is also given, that is. So with this we can find out the amplitude, and this you can simplify, and this is how you can solve this question. So this is the solution of question number 2.